Hi guys, this is Somendra Kumar. As New Year is approaching, we all will be leaving behind many good and bad memories. Generally, it is seen that people used to plan for the coming year. They don't want to analyze their journey in the previous year. But moving towards New Year means learning from the previous mistake and then planning for the future. Here we will discuss about some of the things you should do to end your year in better way and move towards the new year with a fruitful smile on your face. Do watch the video till end. You will surely find something useful. Okay, let's begin. The very first one, recognize what you have achieved. Take some time to make list of the things that you have completed this year. No matter big or small, note all the things. Keeping in mind the last 12 months, if you will think about your achievements that you have achieved, even the smallest one, then it will fill you with happiness and make you feel more enthusiastic. So note all the things and look at them, read them again and again. Second one, identify things you could not achieve. Identify the areas where things did not go according to you. Check out the reasons why this happened to you and think about what you had on hand or what you can gather, and ask yourself what you can do to complete them in the coming year. Definitely this will really work, and also it will reduce the chances of same mistake again. Third one, give heartfelt thanks. Ask yourself whatever that has happened to you this year, who was standing with you at that time. Tell them how thankful you are to them and how much their work helped you in your life. Thank them openly, be grateful to them. This will bring them more closer to you. Fourth one, take some big decisions. You may be stuck in a job you hate or in a relationship that is not working. Take action on it and get away from the things or people who have negatively affected you. This can be difficult, but reducing the burden on your shoulder will allow you to focus more clearly on the year ahead. Because still you are burdened, you cannot start any new thing efficiently. Fifth one, do some good deeds. Try to make the end of the year happier for someone who is less fortunate than you. Find such people, buy some clothes, books, or food which you can donate to the needy people. You can also attend any charity event. This will bring a smile on their face, and along with you, they will also end up this year with a smiling faces. Sixth one, spend time with your friends and family. This is the best time to spend time with your family and friends. Being with family brings us in our comfort zone. Therefore, give yourself a good break, leaving behind the negatives of the last year. Recharge yourself as soon as the new year begins and begin the new year in a great way. That's all we have for you today. Be happy and make others happy.